Custard trifle cake. I've got 500 milliliters or about 2.5 cups of water, milk, and I've added about 3 tablespoons of custard and about 6 tablespoons of sugar as well, and we will whisk it so that there is no formation of lumps. This is the custard I used. We whisk the mixture until no lumps are there, and then we boil it. Slice some pieces of this cake and layer it in my fruit custard. So roughly put thin slices of this cake on the bottom. Now we are going to cook this custard until it thickens up. Now, in any case your custard doesn't thicken up, you can always adjust the consistency by adding a little more custard or a little more milk. But keep whisking until you get a custard which is thick, but not very thick, but a flowing consistency. Make the custard a little more thinner. So wait for it to come to a boil, and then we're good to go. So on the cake I have layered some slices of banana. I've also added about 8 to 9 sliced grapes and 1 sliced mango. Now I've used fresh fruits. You can use canned fruits and they work out very, very well. In fact, my mom also used to add some of the syrup on the cake as she was layering this trifle. Now your custard must be a pouring consistency. Again, I said not very thin, a little thick, but of pouring consistency. So once we layer the fruit, we are going to layer it with our custard, and then again we are going to layer some more cake, and then layer with fruit, and then custard again, and on top we are going to whip some cream. And I've taken about half cup of cream with some sugar, about a tablespoon of sugar, and I whipped it, and then I layered it with fresh cream, and then you store it in the fridge and serve it chilled. And this recipe easily serves about 6 to 8 people, and it is a great recipe. And my mom used to serve this a lot when we had a lot of guests coming at home. It's a very user-friendly recipe, looks very presentable, tastes wonderful, great when guests are coming in, and it's a very good recipe for this Eid too. If you want to try it for your guests, go ahead and try it. I'm sure you will like it. See you later and have fun. And Eid Mubarak in advance too. Take care. Once all the custard has been layered, we will add some whipped cream on top of it, and then we'll garnish it with some sliced strawberries. And that's how I decided to finish up my custard trifle. You can also add shavings, chocolate shavings to it, and that looks very, very presentable too. Now, one thing you need to note that I baked the cake and then layered my trifle. You need not do the same. You can just buy a store-bought sponge cake, or you can use the angel cake that we get in the stores, and then layer your custard trifle with it and use it to make this trifle. Do try this recipe. I am pretty much sure you will like it. Will impress your guests and you will impress yourself.